Not sure which clothing size to choose on Temu? In this video, I'll show you how to add your clothing size information and measurements in the Temu app to help you find the right fit. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on your profile at the top of the screen, then tap the edit icon to edit your profile. On the profile page, look for the measurements option and tap the add button. Here, you can enter your body measurements including your bust, waist, hips, height, and weight. After entering your measurements, tap the update button to save your size information. Now, go back and browse for the clothing item you'd like to purchase, then open its product page. On the product page, tap Size Guide. Temu may use your saved measurements to recommend the most suitable size for that product. You can also compare your measurements with the size chart and check customer reviews for additional sizing advice. Once you've selected the recommended size, tap Add to Cart or Buy Now to continue with your purchase. And that's it. You now know how to add your clothing size information and measurements in the Temu app and choose the right size when shopping.